So this is part 2 of a bike build. I left you with me spraying in the wind the primer, but that's all done. It's all dry, it's come out nice. So for the logos on this bike, and I wanted them to be silver, so I'm using AKA like spray paintings, graffiti spray paint. God, that was hard to say, because it really came out nice. For the decals, I'm using a Cricut Explorer, I think it is, Explorer. It's wicked, I use it for so many things, but these are the logos I'm going to be using for this bike. The chains are going to look really cool, and then yeah, I put some vinyl in here. I use permanent vinyl, because even though I don't want it to stay on there permanently, I find it sticks the best for paint, at least anyway. The silver came out really good. I was really happy with the colour of it, the silverness of the silver. But I used transfer tape to get the vinyl onto the bike. Even though this stuff is permanent, you'll notice in a moment when I start peeling it off, part comes off. It's pretty forgiving, so even then you're kind of good. This bit was particularly tricky. It was quite hard to kind of, because the design's quite large, it was like folding in places where the curves of the frame. But you can see I got it a little bit crinkled in place, but it's gone on pretty well. I'm pretty happy still. So that leaves me one last thing, to start painting the bike. This next bit was as equally fun as it was terrifying, because essentially I'm now ruining my paint job. I've wanted to do this kind of effect for a while, and it came out pretty cool. I think I chose a good colour to go against the black and the green, or the teal. After doing the forks, I wanted to get a little bit more control, because it was coming off quite thick, which is fine, but on the frame I wanted a bit more control, so I started using just a little bit of, I think it was a bit of wire or something to start with, but the splats were a bit too thin, so in the end I switched it up to a Sharpie, which was much better. The Sharpie came out nice. So after the splats, for the rear triangle, I wanted it to be black, and I wanted to fade in the black into the green to kind of give it a little bit more of a softer edge. I kind of just like gently pressed the you can see now, just gently kind of pressed it a little bit, so it came out and just spat a little bit at the frame, which kind of gave it a nice kind of overspray kind of effect, which I quite liked. I'm crazy happy with the way it came out, and it's fueled me with ideas for the next couple of projects as well. Next I went on to probably one of the most satisfying parts of the whole experience, which is pulling off the vinyl. I used a mixture of new and old parts for the build. A lot of new. To be fair, the only old parts I really used were the bits that either didn't turn up in time or I forgot to order. there was two big parts that I didn't have. One I did buy, which was I bought a new cassette for the back, but can't find it. I don't know where it is. And then the other one, which I forgot to order, was a narrow wide chainring. So that would be the first thing I'll need to upgrade on this one. Probably like now, because the chain jumps off a lot. Mid-build muck-off delivery arrived. They're not a sponsor, but it'd be nice. I got these fabric grips for like £10 in the sale or something on a website. I've never tried them before, and the reviews are kind of a bit mixed, but they're really nice. They're really, really comfy. A lot of reviews say they'll wear down really quickly because of how soft they are, so I'll keep you updated on that. But so far I'm pretty impressed. I might get another set for another bike. But the seat on this bike is also fabric, so it kind of matches up, which I quite liked. Tyres, I went for some WTBs, these B-line ones. She rides a bit on the road as well as, but like quite a bit on dirt, so I wanted something that was quite fast rolling but also chunky enough for the winter riding. In particular these ones, they're like proper fat and they look sick on the bike, but they also roll quite nice, so they're nice and comfy, and so far no complaints. And that's it, the complete bike build. I really enjoyed doing this. I've been building bikes for many years, but it's the first time I've done it in a long time where I've gone start and finish, including paint, and it was really fun. So on to the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please do leave a like, it really helps me out, and subscribe to the channel, because I will be releasing videos pretty much weekly until I run out of bikes or ideas of things to talk about.